Hey guys, so today we're going to be making something 4th of July themed because the 4th of July is coming up real soon, and by the time you watch this video it'll actually be the next day. So yeah, 4th of July is coming up and we're going to be making 4th of July Jello, and it's gonna look super cool and it's probably gonna taste really good. So yeah, let's get started.
What you'll need for this will be 2 3-ounce cherry Jello packages, or you could just buy 1 6-ounce package, whichever you want. You'll also need a berry blue Jello. I got the 6-ounce package of this one. 1 package of unflavored gelatin. Make sure that the box you buy has 4 envelopes inside. And 1 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk. First, just take a glass tray and spray it with some nonstick spray. So we're going to start by making the red Jello. So I'm just pouring in my red Jello packets, and then I'm adding 1 envelope of the unflavored gelatin, and then I'm just taking a whisk and mixing those powders together. Now add 2 cups of boiling water to the Jello powders and just whisk that for about 2 minutes until everything is dissolved. Now add 2 cups of cold water and just stir it around. Now just let this sit so that it gets to room temperature. Now just pour your Jello liquid into your pan and then put that in the fridge for about 30 minutes or until the Jello is firm. So now we're going to make the white Jello. So I just poured in the whole can of the sweetened condensed milk, and now I'm adding 1 cup of boiled water, and now I'm just mixing that together. So now in a separate bowl, take 2 envelopes of the unflavored gelatin and just add that in, and then we're going to take half a cup of cold water and just pour that in, and then just let it sit for a few minutes. Now take half a cup of boiling water and add it to that same gelatin mixture, and we're just going to let this sit for a few minutes to let the boiling water dissolve all the gelatin. Now take your gelatin mixture and add it to the sweetened condensed milk, and then just mix that all together. Once you're done mixing, you can take the white Jello and pour it into your tray and stick that in the fridge for 30 minutes or until the Jello is firm. Now we're going to make our blue gelatin. So I'm just adding in the blue Jello packet, and I'm adding in 1 envelope of the unflavored gelatin, and then I'm just mixing those 2 powders together. Now I'm just adding in 2 cups of boiling water, and I'm going to stir that around for about 2 minutes until it dissolves. Now I'm just adding 2 cups of cold water and then just stir that around. Finally, pour your blue Jello into the tray, and then we're going to stick this in the fridge for 30 minutes or until the Jello is firm. And this is our finished 4th of July Jello. I cut mine into squares and I love it. It's so colorful and so pretty.
Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe because I post every Tuesday, and comment down below any questions or suggestions for what I should bake next. And my social medias are in the description, so go follow me, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!